Did you know that in the heart of the Caribbean Sea lies a place that was once known as the Lard capital of the world? Quite an intriguing title, isn't it? This place is none other than the vibrant St. James Parish in Jamaica, home to the bustling city of Montego Bay. Born in the era of colonial rule, St. James Parish was christened in honor of King James II. A fascinating fact about this place is that it was primarily known for its lard exports. Yes, you heard that right. Lard. It wasn't until after a treaty with the Maroons in 1739 that St. James Parish transformed into a key sugar-producing area. But life in St. James Parish wasn't always sweet. The parish faced significant challenges, including destructive fires and a rebellion led by national hero Samuel Sharp in 1831. This rebellion, while devastating, played a crucial role in the emancipation movement, marking a turning point in the parish's history. Post-emancipation, the town's fortunes declined, and it seemed as though St. James Parish was destined to fade into obscurity. But then came the banana trade, followed by the flourishing tourism industry, breathing new life into the area. Fast forward to the present day, and the once lard capital of the world is now a bustling city with a thriving tourism sector, supported by the Sangster International Airport. With its famous hotels and industrial zones, St. James Parish is one of the fastest-growing parishes in Jamaica, contributing significantly to the country's economy. But St. James Parish is more than just its rich history and booming tourism. It's a testament to resilience, a testament to the spirit of its people, who, despite the trials and tribulations, have transformed this place into a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. In summary, St. James Parish, once known for its lard exports, underwent a transformation into a key sugar-producing area after a treaty with the Maroons. Despite facing significant challenges, including destructive fires and a rebellion, the parish emerged stronger, with the banana trade and tourism industry revitalizing the area. Today, St. James Parish stands as a beacon of resilience and growth, a testament to the unwavering spirit of its people. So, the next time you plan a trip to Jamaica, remember, there's more to St. James Parish than meets the eye. From its humble beginnings as the lard capital of the world to its current status as a bustling tourism hub, St. James Parish is a place that embodies the essence of Jamaica: vibrant, resilient, and full of life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.